Regular maintenance of a vehicle's automatic transmission is essential to ensuring top performance and longevity. Not maintaining a transmission results in poor performance and can lead to costly repairs or replacement. Properly maintaining an automatic transmission is made easy and complete with the Service Pro SP9235 two-step transmission tune-up kit. Service Pro's SP9235 two-step transmission tune-up kit safely removes old fluid and contaminants from the entire transmission system. The transmission system is then filled with new fluid along with a supplement that improves durability and enhances performance. Prior to the service, inspect the vehicle's transmission fluid and determine if a service is necessary. A fluid test kit may be used. Before beginning the service, read the dipstick for instructions on checking the fluid level if available. Step 1 of the service is performed by adding Service Pro SP9533 Professional Automatic Transmission Flush to the transmission. Add SP9533 to a dipstick tube or a fill plug if the vehicle does not have a tube. Run the vehicle for 10 minutes. The flush solution optimizes contamination removal during the fluid exchange process by dispersing and suspending particles. Some vehicles should be run in neutral to ensure the flush solution circulates through the entire transmission. Check with the manufacturer's manual for specific vehicle requirements. When the flush step is complete, connect a transmission fluid exchanger to remove the old transmission fluid and remove the used flush solution. The exchanger used in this training video can be connected in line with the cooler or operated in the dipstick mode, whichever is easiest for the service technician. Because this particular vehicle has a dipstick and the cooler lines are difficult to reach, we'll perform the service in the dipstick mode. Locate and remove the dipstick. Check and note the fluid level. You may need to make adjustments to the fluid level at the end of the service. Measure the dipstick with the provided dipstick tube and insert the tube the length of the dipstick. Select Dipstick Service from the menu and arrow to the quantity of the fluid to be exchanged. When using the dipstick mode, we recommend exchanging 1.2 times the transmission's total fill capacity. With the engine off, press Start and let the machine work. Once the exchange is complete, disconnect the exchange machine, turn the engine off, and add Service Pro SP9534 Professional Automatic Transmission Conditioner to the new fluid through the fill tube. This product is specially formulated with advanced synthetic technology to be used as protectant for all ATF types. It's important to note this product is not for use in CVT transmissions. Finally, do a test drive of the vehicle to ensure it runs properly after service. With the Service Pro SP9235 Transmission Tune-Up Kit properly installed, the transmission has been flushed, filled, and conditioned. This service will help to extend transmission life, restore performance, reduce friction and wear, condition seals and O-rings, and restore smooth shifting.